Greetings and salutations, motherfuckers. I am back here with Cooper. The time is now 12:46 a.m., 3/22/2014, and I have some very important mail to share with you. First is a thing they sent me all the way from China, and it's really funny because it says, I'm sorry it's so funny, but it says, Lin Lin Lin, Wang Mao, Zai Zian, Dong Yuan, Don Lu, 303 Hao, Li Cheng Q, Pu Tianxi, Fujian, 351100 from China. And it's to me. And let's open it. Hopefully it is the iPod adapter, but it says it's a case. So, okay. So yeah, it's a case. Yay! But don't panic. It was, how much did I pay for this? It was $6. So, yay! Because I really like Hitchhiker's Guide, and I really like that it's, the guide was basically a tablet, like an iPad, but this was written in the 70s, so that's bananas, and I thought that was so fucking awesome that exists. So now I got a phone case of it, yay, don't panic. And then it's the thumb, and it says 42, in case you didn't get it. So yay, that's exciting. So I'll put this on later, because right now I'm a total douche face and have an Obey case, because that shit's cool, and I really like street art, and they live. So yeah, I have a lot of Obey shit. But I think that's cool. This wasn't that much. This was like $10. It's the brand, whatever. That's not important. Real reason I'm making a video is because a dog is licking my crotch. No, it's because I got a very important CD. The font on my name is really cool. Like, I don't know why it's not just regular font, but don't know where I live. Don't do it. No one watches these anyway, but I don't need to know where I live. Those that do watch it. All 3 of you. Okay, exciting! So, first story. Really into metal. CD collection, mostly metal. I'm really into, like, old school, raw black metal. I like Immortal and Marduk. And I like newer metal, but if it's newer black metal, but if it's too overproduced, like, that's not fun. No, it needs to sound like poopy. So, I really like, Mayhem, and I like, Burzum, and I like the whole controversy, mess, church burning, Varg, Vilkerness, nonsense. I really like the whole mythology and, like, story behind that. So I'm into Mayhem, and I'm into old school Mayhem. So I bought Death Crush. I really like it, but I was very disappointed to find out the Dead is not the singer on Death Crush. He did sing songs from Death Crush, but he's not the dude that sings on Death Crush. I wanted some Dead on vocals. Dead is like a god, a metal god. Not really, but yeah. He is like true cult shit. So I needed Dawn of the Blackhearts. So I ordered Dawn of the Blackhearts. So you will get to see my reaction to Dawn of the Blackhearts. I'm also into gore. I like best gore. I like shit like Exhumed, Old School Carcass, Hemorrhage is a good band, General Surgery, and I like gore. I like gore metal. So, like, and Dawn of the Blackhearts is one of the first, like, gore images I've seen, like, I saw. I was like, holy shit, that's a dude's brain. And then, so now I'm gonna see it in real life and not on a computer screen. I'm really pumped. 'Cause it's like, okay, so for like Old School Carcass records, or, don't chew on that, or, county medical examiners, like, fucking nasty box art. Nasty box art. Where did you even find these pictures? And, like, before the internet existed, where did you locate these images? What in the world? But this was like, oh my god, fucking... So that's the back. Oh! Okay, I understand. It was obviously printed. There he is, in all his suicidal glory. This was obviously printed from a computer. Like, I get that it's a bootleg. Like, it's not gonna be like, it's a fucking bootleg. But now I own it in physical form. Poor baby. Oh, well, he got what he wanted. But this is like, you can okay. Yes, if you know what this is, it's, yes. It's like fucking printer paper. But I have it. I own it. I spent money for this. Oh, is that him on the back? Oh, it's a baby. A baby. Yes, Cooper. Yes, you are a baby. Okay. This is, I've never seen a CD box like this. It's so, like, CD-ROM. Okay, this looks legit. But that's weird. Okay, there's like, it was like, not like a misprint, but there's like an extra like blob from the M cross. So that's weird. I'm disappointed there's not like linear notes, but why would there be linear notes on a bootleg? It's a fucking bootleg. But yeah, this was... Why are you eating scissors? You're so stupid. So yeah, I am fucking excited about this. Okay, bye. Hold on. I got a new puppy, so I'm gonna show you my puppy. Because it's a puppy, and I'm a small girl with a puppy. Say bye.